What's going on, guys? It's Isaac here with Krietz Customs. Right now we're looking at a 2020 Chevy Silverado 1500 Duramax that we just got done lifting. If you guys have a Silverado, it doesn't have to be the Duramax, but we can go ahead and go over what you guys have for options to get your truck lifted. So first off, we are going to go over the lift kit, which is going to be a 6-inch rough country suspension lift kit. This one we went with does have the strut spacer, so it just has a spacer that goes above the factory strut to help raise it up and fit this bigger wheel and tire package. You do have two other options for lift kits for rough country for your Silverado. You have your strut spacer, you have your extended strut, which is going to completely replace your factory strut with a new one. So that's a good option if you do have a little bit more miles on your vehicle and want to get some of that ride quality back. The third option is going to be your Vertex coilovers, and that's going to give you the best ride quality overall. The tire on this one is going to be a 35 1250 R22 Fury Country Hunter RT, which is going to be a step down from the mud terrain tire. So that means it's going to give you the aggressive look of the mud terrain, but still give you properties of an all-terrain tire as well. So you're going to have the aggressive sidewall, the aggressive tread pattern, but it's also going to give you a quiet ride and a long tread life thanks to the more compacted center tread. You have two other options for your tires. If you want to go with a hybrid tire like this one, you have your Noto Ridge Grappler, which is something we recommend highly, but also you have your option for your Toyo Open Country AT3. So down here we have a TIS 544 in the gloss black and machine face finish. This one's going to have that flat face, the big lip, so it's going to have about a 5.5 inch lip, which is also in turn going to push the wheel and tire package out the same amount, giving it a nice wider stance. This one's going to have that directional look with the machined finish all on the face and as well as the millings on the outside of the lip to give it some of the flair and accents to this truck. This is also going to feature the open lugs, so you could run the spike lug nuts if that's something you are interested in. This wheel does come in two good finishes. You have your gloss black and machine face finish, your gloss black and, sorry, you have three finishes: your gloss black and machine face finish, your gloss black and milled, and then your all gloss black, which is another really good one that you can choose from. So if you guys have any questions about this build or want this built on your truck, we can do that for you right here at Krietz Customs, but make sure you also check out our 0% financing so you go ahead and get it built now and pay later.